You are listening to CMU Podcast. This program is brought to you by Corporate Communication, the Alumni Relations Center, and the Language Institute. Hello everyone, this is Kelly, and welcome back to another episode of CMU Podcast. And today the news is FoodPrompt, smart technologies to help combat malnutrition. Researchers at CMU have developed FoodPrompt, smart technologies for personalized nutrition support and food fabrication that can create food using a 3D food printer and comes with an application that allows users to select the food's flavors and shapes suitable for people with malnutrition, especially vulnerable groups such as elderly patients. Approaching old age brings about many changes in many different ways, particularly with health, in which changes are most apparent. The elderly have a high risk of suffering from malnutrition due to multiple factors, including reduced appetite, the inability to eat, malabsorption, changes in the body's systems, and/or even socio-economic changes. It is a condition that can be overlooked by many, and if it does not get treated in time, it can result in serious consequences. For this reason, it is important to make sure that the elderly are getting enough nutrients. The FoodPrompt project won the Outstanding Invention Award at the National Research Awards 2023 in the IT and Communication Arts category, receiving prize money worth 150,000 baht and a certificate from the National Research Council of Thailand as recognition of national contribution. Associate Professor Dr. Wasanai Watanachariya, lecturer at the Industrial Engineering Department and assistant to the dean at the CMU Faculty of Engineering, led the research team on production technology. And the advanced management comprised of Banat Jedsirapon, MD, Assistant Professor Dr. Gan Batanukom, Assistant Professor Dr. Jakarin Chawashat, Assistant Professor Dr. Egasit Jongjaran Rak, Associate Professor Dr. Supat Jiranu Songun, Professor Dr. Radom Pongwutitam, Assistant Professor Dr. We Chayan Rangsi, Dr. Faifan Dantakiti, and Dr. Wipawadi UN. FoodPrompt, or Smart Technologies for Personalized Nutrition Support and Food Fabrication, is a platform developed by an interdisciplinary team to integrate technological applications in different fields to address the needs of people with malnutrition, focusing on vulnerable elderly patients. This platform is unique in that it has a nutritional assessment system that creates personalized food using an IoT approach, meaning an Internet of Things approach. For consumption analysis, it has an integrated AI system that is capable of identifying the types of food, the ingredient quantity, the consumption quantity, and able to compare them to the essential nutrients from a user's health database. This data is then linked to the developed food fabrication system that is designed to provide a high amount of nutrients suitable for the target group. Thanks to the 3D food printer and the application that allows users to select the flavors as well as shapes, patients can get enough nutrients while enjoying their high-nutrient food that comes in various flavors. Naturally, this will allow for a comprehensive examination on malnutrition that addresses the target group's needs. FoodPrompt is CMU's mark of pride in producing research that can translate into practice, solidifying CMU's status as a university of innovation. Thank you very much, and that's it for today. Please tune in again for the next episode of CMU Podcast on YouTube and Facebook, and don't forget to follow the hashtag CMU Podcast. Until next time, thank you and goodbye.